I'm going to show you how you can change your display mode from URL. So in this example, you can see I have a content type called article, and in this article I have created view mode, course and teaser. So if you can see here, in teaser I have only image and body field, and in body the label should appear in the above, and it should be summary or trimmed. For image section, image is label is hidden and format is image, and it should be 220 by 220 in dimension. Similar in course display mode, I have image, body and tags. You can see these are the settings for the node. And if I go at the front end, so right now it is selected to teaser. This is my URL and I'm passing this value dynamically. So if I'm loading teaser, so you can see this is loading the teaser mode of the given node. And node I right now I'm loading is node 1. And if I give here instead of teaser the course value, so it will change the view mode and load the given view mode from here. So in the course you can see it is view mode of course view mode. So it has node title, image, short description and tags. That is coming from here exactly what I have given from here, image, body, text. To implement this, what I need to do, I will create a route, simple route. So this is my route here. You can see it's like course dot view mode. This is my fixed path of the URL, and view mode I am accepting dynamically, and this route is actually calling load view mode function from view mode controller. And if I visit to view mode controller, you can see it's a simple controller, nothing fancy here. And there is one public method load view mode, and it is accepting view mode as a string. And entity type manager get storage, this is service I am accessing from controller base class, so no need to inject this service again here. And first I am loading the node object itself. By default I am loading node id 1. You can also accept this node id dynamically. Second one is, then I am loading the get view builder. So view builder actually giving me from which entity type I need to load. So I am providing here node, and in the node itself it is saying in the view method it accept two parameter. First one is completely loaded entity that we have loaded before here, and which view mode you want to display. So this view mode I am accepting dynamically. So that's how it is working. Thank you.